When a truck got on the road heading for Virginia, the driver had no idea he was carrying special cargo: 5 newborn kittens. The kitties were discovered inside one of the hay bales that were being transported. The little ones were just days old and still had their umbilical cords attached. There was no way to track down the mama cat, as the truck had already traveled hundreds of miles. The driver acted quickly and contacted the SPCA in Richmond, Virginia. They took charge of the kittens and began to search for a foster home. The kittens got their collective name: the hay bale kittens. The SPCA contacted Sara Sewell, who had fostered many newborn kittens before, and luckily, she was able to take them in. Sara's family chipped in with taking care of the newborn kittens, as it was a constant process that lasted for around 8 weeks. When the kittens came of age, the SPCA put them up for adoption. And it didn't take long for all of them to be adopted into loving forever homes. Little did they know that their life had started in such an unusual way, hundreds of miles away.